Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karina and I'm SwatchQueen. So for today's video, I'm going to give you the real tea. Hey guys, I'm so happy that DOSSIER made a new fragrance. It's pretty new. I guess they released this December or November, but it was supposed to release October. I'm so happy that DOSSIER made their version of Love Don't Be Shy. It is called Floral Marshmallow. There we go. Floral Marshmallow. I am so happy, really genuinely happy that they made this fragrance because I love Love Don't Be Shy, but I can't really use it so much because it's so expensive and I can't find this anymore. This black bottle of Love Don't Be Shy, it's extinct. I am just so lucky that I found one from a Facebook group, Kilian Fragrance Lovers. Kilian Love Don't Be Shy. I have this bottle. The juice is really dark now. This one is 2016 if I'm not mistaken. I also got the cover for extra. A lot of people are asking, is it a dupe? Is it an exact dupe? Is it good? I've been using it, if you guys could tell. I really enjoy it. I enjoy this dupe, if you want to say it as dupe or inspired. DOSSIER really makes good fragrances, quality fragrances, doesn't have that chemical smell. They're really good at duping iconic fragrances, if you want me to say it, I dupe. But they're inspired fragrances. So this is their inspired Love Don't Be Shy by Kilian. It's so good. It's so good. It smells like Love Don't Be Shy. So at first spray, this one is sweeter than Love Don't Be Shy. I'm gonna read the notes. Top notes, marshmallow. Number one is marshmallow, neroli, bergamot. Middle notes, orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, orris. Base notes are amber, vanilla, and musk. From Fragrantica, Love Don't Be Shy. Top notes for Love Don't Be Shy is neroli, bergamot, pink pepper, coriander. Middle notes, orange blossom, jasmine, honeysuckle, rose, and iris. And then base note is sugar, caramel, vanilla, musk, civet, and labdanum. So this is more complicated than DOSSIER's version. This one has civet. Okay, we're in the dry down now. The middle just passed by, but still stays with the base, both of them. They smell the same. Something about Love Don't Be Shy has more depth into it, dirtier. Like this one is cleaner. You can really smell the flowers, the sweetness, the marshmallow, the sugared vanilla. Here I can smell like some of the spices that they added. I guess a civet is there in the base. And then a coriander and the pink pepper. I can smell that's the depth that they gave to Love Don't Be Shy. And you can tell it's the same, especially when I'm wearing it. My husband would not know the difference. He cannot tell the difference. Only if you smell them side by side. Love Don't Be Shy is more potent than the DOSSIER version. Floral Marshmallow. All the sweetness and the goodness from Love Don't Be Shy is here. Doesn't have the spices, which the one that I am smelling from Love Don't Be Shy. So I think that this is cleaner. So similar. It's almost the same. I think it's 90% the same. If you're wearing it and you just smell it in the air, you would know it's Love Don't Be Shy. So I say that if you don't have the money for this, don't buy this anymore. Buy the DOSSIER. But if you're really a fan of Love Don't Be Shy, of course you gotta have the original. This is an iconic fragrance I have, and the extreme version. DOSSIER really did a really good job with Floral Marshmallow. I highly recommend it. It's a high quality fragrance that is on the budget. If you can't afford the expensive fragrances but you still want to smell like the expensive ones, get the DOSSIER one. If you want to smell Love Don't Be Shy and you can't get your hands on it, smell this one. It's just the same. Which do I prefer? I like using this for every day. If I want to smell Love Don't Be Shy just in bed, but I don't want to spend my expensive fragrance, or I don't want to use it, or I don't want to use it just to sit on a couch, but I still want to smell like Love Don't Be Shy, I use this one. I overspray myself with this one. It's nice to have because very affordable. I love it. I love DOSSIER. I love all DOSSIERs that I have. 95%. dupe. I highly recommend Love Don't Be Shy too. It's one of my favorites, top 5 forever. This is my jam. If I want to just sit on my couch and still smell like Love Don't Be Shy, I use this one. I overspray myself. If I want to go to bed smelling Love Don't Be Shy, I use this. It is affordable. Of course, it's Dossier. High quality fragrance in the budget. Check out Dossier. They're on sale right now. They're usually on sale. They're always on sale. They have their promotion, so check them out. You can buy 5 fragrances for $100. Which is crazy. I highly recommend Floral Marshmallow, which is Love Don't Be Shy. I also recommend the Baccarat Rouge 540, which is Ambery Saffron. I also recommend the Le Labo's inspired Le Labo, like Santal 33. It's so good. Lost Cherry, which is Tom Ford. That is Oriental Cherry. Highly recommend those ones. Alright guys, so that's it for my video. It's just a short video. I just want you guys to know that Dossier really did a good job duping Love Don't Be Shy, or inspired by Love Don't Be Shy. They don't want to say that it's a dupe, but it is a dupe. Yeah, check it out. Check out Dossier. They always have sale and they have this great promotions time to time. So check out my channel for updates, and also I'm going to link in the description box everything you need to know about Dossier. Also, I have a code. Check that out. Alright guys, so that's it for my video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!